All right, guys, thought it'd be helpful. I did a quick breakdown here for you on this fish fillet knife kit that I got off of Amazon. Show you everything that it comes with and how well it actually works. So first off, you do get this really nice case that everything fits into, and it's kind of like a hard case, so it's not gonna collapse if you're taking it with you somewhere, if you're putting it in the back of your truck or whatever. Really like it came with that nice case, has a little rubber handle, and it just zips open here. And then you can see everything on the inside has all of this styrofoam around it, so it's not gonna be moving around, getting lost or anything. Fits in really nicely. So you do obviously get the motor here. It has 2 batteries. These batteries last forever. That's what I loved about them. And in front of the battery here, you push the button and it tells you the battery life. So you can see how much you have left on that. You get a charger for the batteries, and then you do get 4 blades here. So you get a smaller 5.5-inch blade for smaller fish, panfish, stuff like that. You do get 2 different 8-inch blades. So just a normal one, and then it's called a shark blade. So you do get 2 of those 8-inch, and then lastly, you get this big 10-inch blade for bigger fish. And the grip itself on this thing is super nice. All of the black, so you can see the red is like a plastic, a durable plastic, but all of the black is like a grippy rubber. So it's not gonna slip when you're filleting fish, even if your hands are wet or anything like that. The release for the batteries on the back right here, you just push that up and the battery comes right out. So easy to change them out if you need to. You do have this on the back, which is to release the blade. So the blade just pops into place, just like that. It's locked in, but if you push this release, comes right out. And then on the front, this is the trigger, but it has a little switch right here so that you can almost do like a safety switch. So it's not working right now. If I push that little safety in right there, it turns on. And then just to show you how well it actually skins a fish here. So I already have the fish filleted, but this is the most important part. Cuts through like butter, and you can see it got the skin off completely. Super happy with that. So as you can see, cuts fish amazing. I've had other fillet knives in the past, and this one works just as well. So you can't really beat it for the price. Really good quality here. Hope this helps anyone looking at them.